Kita di Iman Miri. Ini mam, kita di sini jalan Medarian. Berapa rian, Nak?
Hah?
Berapa?
Tiga 20. Ada dengan
350 ah. Oh, ciku. Boleh free ciku nih ya? Hah? Nih bos. Nah, nemu ciku datang oleh free kok deh.
Satu
Sige 10 atau berapa? Sige 20 ah.
malam lain. Sedikit ya orang ini.
Berapa kak?
15.
15 sige ya?
Kilo.
Sekilo 15. Berapa tuh bos? Berapa tuh?
Kamu mau beli satu trek?
Tahu berapa tak?
Woi, timbang kilo ya?
Hah?
Timbang kilo.
Sekilo berapa?
18 ya lah.
Sekilo 18.
Oh, udah malam tuh ada les lagi lah.
Hmm.
Les kita.
Tuh isu.
Itulah. Zaman sih.
Tuh.
Ambil 2 ada les lah. Bagi 30 dah lah. Ambil 35, 30.
Ay. Berapa tak?
Iya 18 kilo. Tok 25 ya isi oranye isi kuning tapi kuning tebal ya isi ya.
Oh. Tuh sekilo 18.
Oh. Rasa sama nih manis dia.
Oh.
Cuma itu color aja beda dia.
Apa isu?
Oranye.
Isu.
Ya isu. Ini kuning.
Durian berapa harga?
Ini yang kita kilo ini kaki bulohnya macam musang kimia 1 kilo 45.
Oh, sekilo 45.
Itu kita bijinya ada.
Ini sebiji 20.
Ya.
Oh.
Ini biji 50.
Oke. Baru buka?
Iya.
Wah.
Iya.
Durian terong. Berapa durian terong, Tok?
Sekilo 35.
30 aja.
30 lah.
30 ha? Tok, durian apa? Di
168.
wah, 168 berapa? 45. Lihat aku ketiga IG mana? Ah. Di mana? Kawin saya? Tak kawin?
Yang mana kawin?
Tak kawin. Kawin sige. Oke, tak mana kak?
Ya, kawin.
Ini kampung mas saya?
Kampung. Itu apa? Maka bau bulu enak.
Bawah bulu.
Kampung.
Ini bawah bulu.
Atau kampung.
Ah,
Kawin.
kawin. Ah, ngambil tas sini. Mana tahu? Oke tak?
350.
Mana ya?
Tuh.
Oke. Oke, katanya tuh.
Itu apa tuh?
Tuh.
Udah les sudah. Tadi saya minta 30.
Tuh, oke dong.
Hah? Sewa.
Masalah? Oke.
3 IG ya? 3 IG.
Oke. Rian. Oke.
April. Hi, my name is Mia. 5 years old.
Oke.
I get my camera with.
Oke. You like durian?
Yep, I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure.
Okay. Now we take picture first, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All like this. Okay, ready. Okay. Okay, ready? 1. Okay, take picture. Okay, come. Hey. Take picture first. Come here.
Look at me.
What? You want to take picture, right? You want to take picture, right? Okay. Say bye-bye to your friend.
Bye. Bye. Keep watching.
Okay? Okay.
Bye. Keep watching video. As a like and subscribe. Like this video. Subscribing and then wait. Dude, you cannot see me down. Bye.
Okay.
This video.
This video. One. Okay, now we take picture.
Okay. Hey
Okay.
guys. My name is
Okay. Your name is?
Mia, and then with this durian.
What is this?
This durian.
Durian. You like durian?
Yeah.
Are
I
you
like
sure?
watermelon.
You like watermelon? What else?
I like watermelon.
This is the big one.
Whoa, that's so big.
Yes.
How you get so big? I want to leave one for.
You know how much is
What?
the price for this one?
Yup.
3 IG
Wow.
50 ringgit. 3 IG 50 ringgit.
Dia keluar, Mak.
Agi marian kami di Miri kita di lubang tu kemudak sibu dah murah. Itu
Yes, I know.
nadai jakuknya wai 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit 3 IG 4 IG.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Dah pelan.
Are you
Oke,
sure?
arang kita
Today?
mula situ nih.
Tok dulu.
Yeah, the big one. I don't want it. Okay, guys.
Ya, duko hari nampak pedom. Wah, gila. Tuh resmi dulu. Situ tuh dulu.
Sama kasih. Kau mana makai katanya?
Nenek.
Nak boleh.
Ah.
Nah,
Oh
semaknya.
my.
Tempat dulu dah.
It's okay, no ada ini. Lihat mana?
Keep going, Dad.
Wow. I like it. Wow.
It's so very strong. My daddy is so very
Aku nguji ke dulu.
Oh.
Udah aku nguji baru sudah ada makai. Ini nemu nama-nama lagi itu saya sudah ada.
Sama.
Udah aku makai ya. Oke kok aku baru sudah ada makai ya.
Tujuh kita.
Udah ambil kalau.
Anak kawan yang umang lari kok.
I want to friend my daddy.
Oke. Oke lah. Nah, aku nyepek ya dulu.
Daddy, I want to solve. Daddy, I want to solve. I want
Okay.
to solve.
Go and get it. This is another one. This one. Very nice. Mana? Okay. Nanti SIG 20 ringgit.
I can get it.
2 IG 40 ringgit. Nanti beli 3 50 ringgit. Nyak package ya.
Yeah, I know, guys. Oh, Dad.
Nanti timang kilo. Sekilo 18.
Why is so funny?
How is this? Nice.
It's just like this.
Like what?
It's
Is it
tastes
nice?
like good.
Like nugget?
No,
Hmm.
it smells like non-car.
Smell like what?
Neonicorn.
What is nickel?
Neonicorn right there.
Okay.
Papa
Wow, I love it.
Okay, you want some?
Yep,
You want some? Okay, go and get.
I want to follow you. I want to
You want this one?
Yep. Go, Daddy.
Lihat.
Wow, my daddy is so very strong.
Wah.
Come here, but my daddy is too strong.
Okay. This is for you.
Look my dress.
Your dress.
Look my dress.
Oh, so
Look,
nice.
Look.
So nice, so nice. Yeah.
I can't see my dress.
Yeah. Nah.
Here's my dress.
Mm.
Look.
Is it nice?
Yeah, you see this?
Who bought for you this one?
Mom.
Your
My
mom.
mom.
Oh.
Look, we can turn it on. See, it's a magic way.
Buy your mommy use my money to buy this one. To buy this one.
Yup. $2.
How much? $2.
$2.
Ah, this is for you.
This $10.
$10.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know?
I don't know.
Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yeah. It tastes like good.
Okay.
Oke
Okay lah. Okay toh. Nah rugi kamu lagi. Nggak rugi mulai. Oke. Ini aja. Kena mantap ketemu Wak. Lawanku meda di menunggu bukai di Sibu di Lubanto menaku dia udah murah. Dia tuh kue amada setumpu 3-4 ringgit oleh 8 ringgit. Nanti kita ngambil dari orang ke rumah panjainya ya. Dijual ya di pasar 10 ringgit, 11-12 ringgit, ya, bisa lah untung 2-3 ringgit punya. Punya lah. Oke. Oke. Ya. Oke, bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye, keep watching. I want to eat this.
Oke, bye bye.